guys know how I love trading natural gas. I love it so much. I want my car to run on natural gas. So that's exactly what we did. It's a Honda Civic. Runs on that good old natty G.
I mean, this bad boy right here, fill it up at any 100-mile or more propane station. Actually, you might be able to cook up your gas and grill, just plug her in right here. And this bad boy will take you another 300 miles. You're good to go.
What does it get, like miles to the gallon?
Dude, I think it's like square cubic natural gas per gallon. It's pretty equivalent to a regular car from what I understand.
Natural gas is pretty cheap right now, right? Since natural gas has been selling off,
So Ricky owns a lot of natural gas, so...
Well, I day trade a lot of natural gas.
Hey, he basically owns it. So you can basically fill it up and you're good to go. But these are known to be more reliable because it doesn't need the liquid gas. You don't come across all those issues.
You obviously did not buy this with the idea that it was actually a natural gas car, right?
You want to see the real-time reaction when we open this? This was us. Oh, well, let's see. Maybe it's got like a sticker for a special kind of gas. Boom! Nope, it's a nozzle. Like you're gonna put air in it. There's a nozzle there. Definitely ain't putting any gas in there anytime soon.
What's kind of the plan with this car?
The plan with this one is obviously it's got a super rare market, so we're gonna have to blast this nationwide on eBay. I don't even know what else. Car Gurus, everything else we can.
And it's a pretty inexpensive Honda Civic, right? So a normal Honda Civic that had this type of mileage that ran on gas, how much would it sell for?
Oh, it's pretty comparable. So yeah, about 6,500. They both.
And how much did you buy it for?
Yeah, 58. So hopefully we're gonna clear a little bit and get 65 out of it.
65. Okay, so into a full walkthrough. CNG. I mean,
if you're from Cali, would this be like valuable to somebody so they can go in HOV?
I mean, there's hybrid Honda Civics that.
Yeah, true. We're screwed.
Weston was telling me that this would be like almost like for a company car, right? For those that like work in maybe natural gas fields, that they're just within, you know, the premise of that field, that this would be something that could be like somewhat.
Because they get them for cheaper, they get a tax incentive for buying them.
Yeah.
And then they can just fill up all their own vehicles right there on site.
Yeah.
And they're good to go. So we're afraid to like, normally we can drive them and put plates on them. We're not doing that because we don't know where to fill it up. So we don't want it to go empty and then just be stranded. Look how much is this thing?
Clean car. You can tell that it was well taken care of. But let me know what you guys think. I wanted to do something fun with this because when Weston and Caleb told me that they ended up buying a car that ran on natural gas, I was like, first of all, I was very unaware that that was even possible, or that they even made Honda Civics that ran on natural gas. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I think it's very funny because I'm a big trader when it comes down to taking positions on correlating ETFs and ETNs such as UGAS and DGAS. So I thought it would be pretty funny for all the people out there that trade also natural gas to kind of make a little joke of this. And so let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Happy Martin Luther King Day. And like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy, team.